Today we learn there are different options available in home menu. I think all the options we have completed here. So we just do with the next topic. First one, that is paste spatial, and second one, fill option, and third one, that will be go to option, go to spatial, right? So firstly, we do with this paste.
Yes, sir.
Have we used this option or not? Paste spatial.
No, sir.
Okay, let's do with this content. Firstly, we have to make some data for the paste spatial. For example, the serial. Here we have a data like this: role, number, and name, and class, right? And here the next then
Yes, sir.
is 2, is 3, is 4, and is 5. And here just type the name. Just type the class. Okay, so see there. Here the option, if we want to just copy it, just copy the content, just right click here and just copy it. And go on the next sheet and just paste it. It is not a common paste, it is a normal paste, it's not a normal paste. You have to go with the paste spatial option. And here we have an option that is paste spatial. Click on this paste spatial option. In this spatial option, there is an option, that is paste link option. What? Paste link.
Paste link option.
Options are available in the paste spatial, but here we use paste link. When we click on paste link, so what will happen here? Okay, after selecting this particular copied and paste content, if we do some change in this sheet, that is a primary sheet, just see there, here we do just type here Ashish, and the next sheet or the paste link sheet automatically change the data. That is a use of paste link. When we make any change in this particular data, in this sheet, in the second sheet, we will get the changes automatically without any editing, right? For example, just see there,
Yes, sir.
a roll number like this. Here we just type the roll number R001 and R02 and R03, R04, R05. What happened there? All the content of the roll number automatically change the next sheet. That is R01, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That is the use of paste link.
Yes, sir.
Paste link. Here we use paste link option, right?
Yes.
And if we have it, just see there, here we have it just fee like this: 500, 200, 300, 400, 4,000, 450, and 700. And if we want to just, that is the number of months, or just type in installment, right? Will you hear?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or just type 2. If we want to just multiply this value with this number and we want to just get the result in this particular installment, so firstly just select this particular value. After selecting this, just press Ctrl C to copy this content, that is fees, and just click on the installment option and select the content, select the cell where we want to just paste spatial. Just right click here. Here we choose paste spatial option, and there are so many options available there, that is operations. Okay, so there are 4 operations available there. If we want to just add the content, copied content with the selected range, if we want to just multiply the copied content with the selected range, if we want to just subtract the copied content with the selected range, and we also do the same process with our device option. Okay, so here we choose what? Multiply. So what will do this? It will multiply this value and we will get the result in this particular box. Just see there, I click on OK. What happened here? This value is multiplied by the previous value as placed in this particular installment numbers, right? So we will get the multiplication
Yes, sir.
with the installment, and that is the total fees. We will get the total fees, right? And similarly, if we want to just add fine, just type here fine. And here we have some fine rupees like this. This is the different fines. And if we want to just total fee, what we'll do? Just select it and again just copy it. And after that, just select it, right? After selecting this, and here we just type here what? Total fee. Just type here total fee. We don't need to extra adding, just remove this. And after that, if you want to just add this particular installment or total fees with this particular total fees, that is a fine. Okay, just copy this content by using Ctrl+C, and after selecting this, just press right click and use paste special option. And here we have an option that is add. When you click on add, you will get the add of this addition of these two values sequentially. Just click on this, the serial. So here the fine also added with the total fees, right? So that is the option by which we use a different
Yes,
option
sir.
of the paste special option, right? And just see there, here we add some format, just see there and click on condition formatting. And here we apply some condition formatting, just see there, that is 100 to 200. We will get the color what? Custom format, and select the fill box, that will be green and font color will be white. And okay, understood? And just click on okay. When you
Yes,
just
sir.
type the amount like this 150, you will get the green color. And we want to same effect with this on this particular total fees. Just select it and just press right click and copy it. You can do the single cell as well. Just select a single cell, copy it, and select the whole range like this, and press right click and go to the paste special option. And there are different paste options available there. Just see there. Here we want to just paste the format. Paste the format. That's why we use only the
Format.
click on format and you will get the format. Okay. And here's the see there. All merging conditional format you can do with this particular. Just click on this and click on OK. You will get the format like this. Understood? And if you want to just apply the
Yes, sir.
just copy it and select it and press right click and click on paste special. And here we use only the format. Just click on OK, and OK, it will get the format. If we just type here less than or 150, we'll get the green color, right? Understood? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
It will paste the conditional formatting, right? Similarly, if we add some validation with this particular content, just select it and click on data validation. And here we add data validation. Just click on this and just type here whole number and between 100 to 200, right? And click on OK. And if you want to just copy the validation from this particular cell, just right click here and copy it and just select this content and press right click and again click on paste special. And here we have an option that is formula. Here we have a formula, values, format, comment, and validation. So what do we want to paste here? We want to paste validation here. That's why we select here validation and click on OK. So we don't need to validate the other cells. We just use the paste special. And when we type more than 200, it will not take like this. Just see there, 201, it will not take. Why? Because here the conditional formatting, validation is also applied in this particular columns, right? How we apply
Yes,
it?
sir.
By copy and paste special the validation option, right? Similarly, if we want to just see there, here we use gross total and just press is equal to and just type sum function and start bracket and selecting like this and close the bracket, and you will get the sum of this particular section. And if you want to just paste the function from this to another cell, just see there, here we want to just paste this particular function in this particular cell or this particular cell. So first you just click here, right click on copy and select where you want to just paste the function. So firstly we select the cell and copy the cell and select the another cell, another place, and just press right click and paste special. And here we want to just paste the formula. That's why we use only the formula. So there are different combinations available. You just do these types of combination and you will get the output of the copied content on the paste cell, right? Just click here. What happened?
Yes, sir.
The formula automatically comes like this sum as we type in this particular cell. So that is the use of paste special. Understood? Any query?
Yes, sir. No,
Query?
sir.
Okay, that is all about paste special. And next option, if we want to just transpose this function, so firstly just how we use the transpose function. If we want to just make this column chart or a column table into the row table, just copy it and just place your cursor on the another location and just press right click and go to the page special. And here we have an option that is transpose option. What option? Transpose option.
Transpose option.
Click on this and click on OK. You will get the list in a row wise as we see in the column wise, right? So that is the interchange of list column wise into rows, and you can also vice versa do the same process. Column to row or row to column. Okay. And just see there, here we have some data like this. Just see there. Here we have some data. Okay. And here's some blank cell as well. Right. And here we have other values like this 1000, 1000, 1000, and 1000, and 1000, and again 1000. Right? And if we copy this content, just select here and copy it. And after selecting this, just select the paste content and just right click here and click on paste spatial. And here we have another option that is skip blank. What is the meaning of skip blank? We generally normally paste this content on this particular cell. It will place all the content with space, with the blank space as well in this particular content. But we use as a skip blank, so it will leave this value. It will leave this value without any change because here is the blank cell. So it will not paste the blank cell because here we choose what? Skip blank. So it will skip the blank paste, okay, on the selected cells. Just click on this. What happened here? All the values copied except this blank cell because it is skipped by the paste spatial function. Understood? So here we use what option?
Yes, sir.
H transpose, then paste link, skip blank, and operations, and paste multiple properties. Okay, so these are the functions which comes under the paste spatial, right? And we do with the next option, by the next option, that is the fill option. Why we use fill option? Just see here. If we want to just make the particular long list, so just type here 1001 like this, 1001, right? And you can also do the same process like 1 and press enter. And after selecting this, just click on home, and here we have option that is fill option. And there are so many lists available in this particular page, fill options. Here we use what? Series. Just click on series option. After clicking on this, here we have two options, that is series in row. So if you want to just continue the list in the rows, we have to select this row. Otherwise, if you want to just column, just type here, just select here column. Okay, and just type here the range. And here the different types of autofill or fill. And what are the use of? Just do step by step. So firstly, we want to just paste the series from 1 to 15. Just click on this, we will get the 50 numbers like this. Understood? And
yes, sir.
Go on to this number in the row wise. So firstly, just select it and click on where. Again, just click on this and click on series. Here we have an option that is row, and just type here 15. You will get the 50 numbers in the row wise, like this serial. Just scroll down like this, scroll left to right, we'll get the 50 numbers, right? So that is the option by which we can fill the content in this manner. If you have some number like this 1001, and if you want to just continue this list, so select, don't need to select it, just place your cursor and click on. First you just delete this and select it and click on fill, and here we use what? Series. And here we type the last number, that is 1001. 0 1 0 0, right? 10,001 and click on OK. What happened? It will show the long list as we type the answer values, right? You will get a long list as we.
Yes, sir.
So that is about of linear fill. It is the linear fill, right? And go with the next option. Why we use the growth option? Just see here. Here we have a two option, or you just type here one option or two. You can do anything. And after selecting this, just type here 2 or 3. And after typing this, just select this content and click on where fill, and here we use what series, and here's the option is growth. When you click on growth, and here's the step value. What is the meaning of step value? Step value is the difference between the two values. So it will multiply the 2 with this particular number. Just see there. Here we stop the 1000. It will not increase the number more than 1000. Just click on this. What happened here? It will multiply the step value. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, and just all the multiplication. It will doubles the value of the previous value, right? So here we get the doubling series of
Yes, sir.
the particular value by following the group fill. By following the growth fill, right? And after that, if you want to just make the list Sunday, Monday, just type two content and select this. And after that, here we have option that is autofill. Here we have an option that is autofill. We will get the list without any problem. We will get a list in continuation of series, right? So that is all about autofill. And what are the use of date fill? Just type here 1/4/2021, and here is type 1/4/2022. So what will change here? Here change the year. So select it and click on this. It will automatically select the year. What are the changes between these two dates? It will automatically select it and date automatically select it and here and click on OK. You will get the series of dates by changing the years, right? Similarly, we do with the date, month as
Yes,
well.
sir.
That is all about fill option. Okay. So here we completed here which option? Paste, spatial, and fill option. So we have completed two options from this particular section, right? Let's go with the next content. That is the GoSpecial. Why do we use GoSpecial? GoSpecial, GoToSpatial facilitate us to move from or select the particular content by following the GoToSpatial. So firstly, place your cursor like this, and after that, just press what? Control plus G. Just press Control plus G. You will get the go-to option here. You will get the go-to option here. And here we have an option is spatial. So firstly, we use the go-to option. Why we use go-to option? Simple go-to option. If you want to just move on the particular cell of the sheet, just type here, just like a A5. So we will move on the A5 cell. Just see here. It will move the cursor on A5 by following the go-to option. And again, just press here Control plus G. And here we have a spatial option. Just see there here the long list of the GoToSpatial, that is command, content, formula, blank, current region, current array, object, row different, column different, preceding cells, dependent cells, last cell, visible cell only, condition format, and data validation, right? So if we want to move on the data validation cell where we apply data validation, just click on this and click on OK. You will get the validated cell. Just see there. In these cells, we have applied what? Data validation. That's why these are selected. Okay. And we can also set the format for this validated cell by using this content or by using this format properties, right? So here the option by which we can click on the validated cell. Similarly, we go with the next option, just press here, Control plus G, and again on GoToSpatial, click here spatial. And if we want to just move on the constant, what is the meaning of constant? Constant means filled value. Just select it and click on OK. It will select the whole filled value, not anything else. Okay. It will only select the constant mean that will not change according to cell. So here the constant value, that is the independent value of the cell. Understood? And we can set the format cell like this. Understood? So that is about Go to spatial, and if we want to just move on the last cell of this particular content, again just press Ctrl plus G and click on it, go to spatial, and here we want to just move on the blank cell. Just click on this blank and click on OK. It will select all the blank cell of our current list. Just see here. Wait for a minute, it will automatically select. Just see here. All the blank cell of our data, as we type at the last data, it will automatically select, not the whole sheet. It will select only the work area between the working area. There are so many blank cells. It will select it automatically, right? We can just make the outline of
Yes,
this.
sir.
Clear? So that is all about what? Blank cells. And again, just click on Control plus G and go to spatial. And here we have another option, that is current region. Just click on this and click on OK. It will select the current region. That is the continuation area of your content. Here is some sub column are living here, and you are also living here. Here is also, there is some gaps. That side is not the continuous list. It is the continuous list because we have continuously typed the columns and make the list, right? So that is the meaning of.
Yes, sir.
Just see that if we add some comment with this particular content, just click on this and click on review and click on insert option, and here just type first comment and go with the next cell. Here we use and click on new comment. That is my second comment. Understood? And if you want to just hide this comment,
Yes, sir.
if we want to move or go to the comment cells, just press Ctrl plus G and again click on paste spatial option. And here we have an option, that is what? Comment. That is the first option. Just click on this. We will move on the particular comment cells. Just see there, only the two cells we have a comment. We have two comments on our working area. That's why it will select only the two cells, right? Similarly, if we want to find out the preceding cells, just select it and again press Ctrl plus G and go to spatial. And here we have a preceding cell. Just click on this and click on OK. We will get the preceding cells. These are the preceding cells. Why? Because after calculation of this, we will get this cell value, right? That is the preceding cell. So we can go for the preceding cell. And similarly, if we draw any object like this, we have a chart or any shape like this. Here we add some shape like this. Let's see here. Here we have a shape and just make the color. Okay, and just press right click, and here we just type some content in this particular section. This is my first object. Okay, and just change the color by using what? Font color. And increase the font size by Control Shift plus dot. First object, right? And press Control plus E to make centralize it.
Yes, sir.
We have an object. Okay, and just do some effect as well. Okay, and here we have a list. Here we have a long list. And if we want to select only the object, nothing else. So what we do, just press Ctrl plus G and go to spatial. And here we choose what? Here we choose, that is object. So it will select only the objects of our worksheet. Just click on this. It will select this particular content, nothing else, right? So just do with these options. And if you have any problem,
Yes, sir.
can you? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Hello. I can hear you, sir.